This is the weather forecast video for Monday, October the 24th, 2011. Let's take a look at the satellite image from last evening. You can see a frontal system exiting the state with some showers and thunderstorms that went through during the evening hours. A new storm system moving over the Pacific Northwest that will affect us later in the week, whereas high pressure controls the southern half of the country. Watch warning map from around midnight. Winter storm watches in effect in Wyoming and Colorado. A freeze warning over Idaho, and a freeze watch over northern California and southern Oregon. QPF chart, precipitation over the next 5 days. This is through Friday evening at 7 o'clock, and this shows no rain will fall over the state. We think that's a little bit too dry for us. Let's take a look at the 0Z GFS Model Run at 1 p.m. today. You can see the system that brought us the showers and thunderstorms over the state Sunday is now off to our east. And with that, we have some dry conditions, but temperatures don't really cool off. We still see highs in the 60s to lower 70s under partly to mostly sunny skies. But look to the west. Here comes the next storm system. Tuesday, the frontal system will be close by. GFS shows that most of the moisture will be north of the state, although we can't rule out an isolated shower or thunderstorm across Iowa. By Wednesday, the frontal system is sagged across the state and is now to our south. There still could be some isolated showers behind the front, but temperatures will be a lot cooler, 40s and lower 50s likely. Thursday, the frontal system is well to our south and east. Skies clear, but temperatures remain the same, 40s, maybe a few lower 50s across the state with partly to mostly sunny skies. Same goes for Friday. Could see some cool morning lows, likely down in the 20s once more, with highs rebounding to a few degrees either side of 50. We head into Saturday to start off the weekend. Winds begin to turn around back to the southwest. Temperatures begin to warm back into the 50s. Maybe some mid to upper 50s possible across the western counties. And we head off into Sunday. Temperatures look to be about the same, with a disturbance north and east of the state. Otherwise, we'll stay with mainly dry and highs in the 50s. We head off to Monday. This is Halloween. Bit of a west-east pattern across the country, a bit of a trough over the Pacific Northwest, another over the eastern Great Lakes into New England. While over us, we have southwesterly winds and temperatures pretty decent. Upper 50s to lower to middle 60s across the state, with trick-or-treating weather likely in the lower to middle 50s. We head off into Voodoo, November the 4th. Big vortex over just off the New England coast. Another trough over the Plains states, with a ridge over the desert southwest. And at the surface, that could bring some showers across the state, with a big storm system off the Gulf of California and off the New England coast. Not affecting anybody there. And at the end of the forecast, on November the 8th, you can see a big trough moving into the desert southwest, similar to what we saw yesterday, but it's a little further south, a little further west, but all in all, it looks to be about the same. But we'll keep looking at it as we head further into the month of November. Thank you for tuning in to the weather forecast video. We'll have another one tomorrow.